Club sandwich recipe. Here's a recipe for the classic American version of a club sandwich. Ingredients. 1. 9 slices of bread, white or whole wheat. 2. 1/2 cup mayonnaise. 3. 12 slices of cooked bacon. 4. 3 lettuce leaves. 5. 3 tomato slices. 6. 6 ounces. 6. Sliced turkey or chicken breast. 7. Salt and black pepper, to taste. 8. Toothpicks or skewers. Instructions. 1. Toast 3 slices of bread until golden brown. 1. Repeat with the remaining slices. 2. Spread mayonnaise on one side of each slice of toast. 3. On one slice of toast, layer 4 slices of bacon, 1 lettuce leaf, 1 tomato slice, and 2 ounces. 3. Of turkey or chicken. 3. Sprinkle with salt and black pepper, to taste. 4. Top with a second slice of toast and repeat the layering process. 5. Top with the third slice of toast and press down lightly. 6. Insert toothpicks or skewers into the sandwich to hold it together, and cut into quarters. 7. Serve with potato chips or French fries, if desired. 8. Enjoy your classic American-style club sandwich. Upgrade your sandwiches with new and interesting variations. Here are some new and interesting variations to upgrade your sandwiches. 1. Caprese Club Sandwich. Layer fresh mozzarella, basil leaves, and sliced tomato between 3 slices of toasted bread. 1. Add cooked bacon and a drizzle of balsamic glaze for a delicious twist on a classic sandwich. 2. Grilled Chicken and Avocado Club. Grill chicken breast and slice it thinly. 2. Spread mashed avocado on 1 slice of toasted bread and top with chicken, bacon, lettuce, and tomato. 2. Add a drizzle of ranch dressing for extra flavor. 3. Smoked Salmon Club. Spread cream cheese on 1 slice of toasted bread and top with smoked salmon, sliced cucumber, and red onion. 3. Add arugula and a drizzle of honey mustard for a gourmet twist on a classic sandwich. 4. Vegetarian Club. Layer hummus, roasted red peppers, sliced avocado, cucumber, and sprouts between 3 slices of toasted bread. 4. Add a drizzle of olive oil and balsamic glaze for a healthy and flavorful sandwich. 5. Turkey and Cranberry Club. Spread cranberry sauce on 1 slice of toasted bread and top with sliced turkey, stuffing, and gravy. 5. Add a second slice of toast and layer with bacon, lettuce, and tomato for a delicious holiday-inspired sandwich. 6. Barbecue Pork Club. Shred leftover barbecue pork and toss with barbecue sauce. 6. Layer the pork, coleslaw, and sliced pickles between 3 slices of toasted bread for a delicious and satisfying sandwich. 7. Lobster Club. Mix cooked lobster meat with mayonnaise and diced celery. 7. Layer the lobster salad, bacon, lettuce, and tomato between 3 slices of toasted bread for a decadent seafood twist on a classic sandwich. Try these gourmet sandwich ideas for a new and interesting take on the classic club sandwich. Tips and tricks for the perfect gourmet-style club. Here are some tips and tricks to help you make the perfect gourmet-style club sandwich. Use high-quality ingredients. Start with fresh, high-quality bread, meat, and vegetables. Use freshly cooked bacon, ripe tomatoes, and crisp lettuce to ensure the best taste and texture. Toast the bread. Toasting the bread adds a crispy texture and helps prevent the sandwich from becoming soggy. Use a toaster or a panini press to toast the bread evenly. Layer the ingredients properly. Layer the ingredients in the right order to ensure a balanced and flavorful sandwich. Start with the bread, then add the meat, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and any other fillings you prefer. Use a spread or sauce. Adding a spread or sauce to the sandwich can take it to the next level. Try using mayonnaise, mustard, pesto, or a flavored aioli to add extra flavor and moisture to the sandwich. Cut the sandwich into quarters. Cutting the sandwich into quarters makes it easier to eat and adds a restaurant-style touch to the presentation. Use toothpicks or skewers. Use toothpicks or skewers to hold the sandwich together and prevent the fillings from falling out. Add a side dish. Serve your club sandwich with a side of potato chips, fries, or a small salad to make it a complete meal. By following these tips and tricks, you can create a gourmet-style club sandwich that looks and tastes like it was made in a restaurant.